Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase will creation with Nolo, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin increasing your will creation with Nolo, start by understanding the platform and its resources. Visit the Nolo website and familiarize yourself with the tools available for will creation. Review the user-friendly interface and explore the options for drafting your will. Create an account to access personalized features tailored to your needs. Select the type of will that best suits your situation, such as simple wills or living wills. Follow the guided prompts that Nolo provides throughout the process. Gather necessary information about your assets, beneficiaries, and any specific wishes you have. Input this information into the templates provided by Nolo. Make sure to consider any state-specific laws regarding wills, as these may affect your document. Utilize Nolo's legal resources to clarify any terms or requirements that are unclear. Take your time reviewing the will for accuracy and completeness. Consult with a legal professional if you have complex assets or concerns about your will. Once you are satisfied with the document, proceed to download or print your will directly from Nolo. Make sure to sign the will in accordance with your state's requirements to make it legally binding. Store the completed will in a safe yet accessible location. Consider informing your beneficiaries about the location of the will to ensure its accessibility when needed. Regularly revisit and update your will to reflect any significant life changes, such as marriage or the birth of a child. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your will creation with Nolo and ensure your wishes are clearly stated and legally recognized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.